Good day, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, I just want to motivate my forex traders out there that are still struggling and finding it very difficult to actually make this system work for them. Please do not give up, okay? No matter what, do not give up. I'm going to give you some reasons why I said you should never ever give up, okay? Do not give up. Don't give up, okay? Don't give up, all right? So I have my reasons why I'm asking you to not give up. One of the major reasons is, see, this thing is going to take time, okay? It will take you some time. If you give up, there's no way you can actually find your edge. So it is okay to feel like giving up. We all felt like giving up. In fact, I tell people, when I'm speaking with beginner traders, I tell them it might get to a point you're going to delete your MetaTrader. Why am I telling them that? I'm telling them that because that's what I did at some point. I deleted my MetaTrader 4. I was using MT4 at that time. I deleted it. I deleted my broker app. I deleted everything. I don't want to see it. Okay, because I learned a strategy online. After learning the strategy online, I feel I've understood the strategy. And then I go and try it out on a demo account. It works on a demo account for some time. Then I gain confidence. I deposit money into my broker account. After depositing money, I try to utilize the strategy. It's a different story entirely. Okay, at that point I never knew my emotions were getting in the way. I never knew there was something even called emotions or over trading or revenge trading. I never knew all those ones. All I knew is that, okay, I've learned a strategy. Then I think the strategy I learned first, as in the early periods now, was supply and demand. The one I actually trusted early was supply and demand. So I did, even the supply and demand itself, I didn't really learn it perfectly. Okay, I didn't learn the secret parts of supply and demand. I just knew that, okay, if I see an aggressive move from a particular level, if the aggressive move is coming downwards, then there's a level up there known as the supply level. And if the aggressive move is upwards, there's a level down called a demand level. So I decided to try it on the live account, and I blew the accounts. I deleted the apps, deleted everything. So it is okay to delete all your apps. It's okay to do that, okay? But after some time, still come back to this. Come back to this. There is no other industry where you can actually make money as you would in the forex markets, okay? So one of the points I want to give you is, some persons will say forex is gambling. No, if you're thinking it's gambling, that means you're still an intermediate, like you have not gotten to a very high level when it comes to this industry. Why did I say it's not like gambling? See, the difference is very clear. It's similar. There is similitude between the two, which is what is bringing the confusion. Okay, but no, forex is a business, not gambling. This is the point I'm going to give you, and I'm going to call it, I'll draw the curtains after I've given you that point. Now see, when it comes to gambling, if you're talking about gambling, okay, let's take sport betting for example. Okay, now when it comes to sport betting, you have the let's say was Man City. That I'm thinking of a big club. Man City is a big club. Let's say Man City, for example, Manchester City is playing against West Ham. Okay, you know that 90% of the time, Man City is going to win over West Ham when they play West Ham. Okay, so the is it bookie they call them, or whichever company you are using to place your bets, they already know that Man City has a very high chance of beating what's it called, West Ham. So they will place the odds at, let's say, 1.2. Okay, you get like 1.2 odd for Man City to beat West Ham. Now this is gambling. Why? Because it is in the favor of the company, the betting company. Because for you to make, let's say, $200,000 out of this particular transaction, okay, for you to make $200,000, you actually need to risk $1,000,000. Okay, you need to risk $1,000,000 to make $200,000 because it's 1.2. So if you place $1,000,000 in this particular bet, it means if it plays out according to your prediction, meaning Man City wins, we are winning $200,000. as profit. Whereas if you lose it and West Ham manages to beat Man City, you are losing $1 million. Okay, do you see that? It's not in your favor at all. So that's gambling. There is no way it's going to be in your favor. Let's say Man City versus West Ham, then you see the odd as 3.0. Never, it can never happen. Instead, the odd will be the other way around. Okay, it can never happen. You can't have Man City to beat West Ham with 3.0 odd, meaning that if you win, if you put $1 million and you win, you are winning 3 million. Never, because the company, the betting company, they know what they are doing. They want the odds not to be in your favor. Okay, the only time it's going to be in your favor is going to be very small. Let's say 1.2, like this, whereby at the end of the day you are still risking more. So come rain, come shine, the odds are always in the favor of the betting company. But when it comes to forex trading, I don't want this video to be too long, so I'll just quickly drop this point. When it comes to forex trading, you can set your odds by yourself. I can decide that I'm not going to take a trade unless I see an opportunity that is 1:3, risk to reward ratio. So what I'm risking versus what I'm standing to gain, I'm risking probably $1 million, for example. Since I've already used $1 million, let me use that to continue with the example. If I'm risking $1 million, I'm looking to gain what? I'm looking to gain $3 million. So if I risk a million, I'm looking to gain 3 million. Okay, I'm looking to gain $3 million. So I can set my odds. In betting, or what's it called, gambling, you cannot set your odds. The odds is set by the company, the betting company. They set the odds and they set it in their favor, not in your favor. So even when you are correct, what you are risking is bigger than what you are going to potentially win. But when it comes to forex, it's a business. You can set your odds yourself. Okay, so do not take any trades except it is 1:2 risk to reward ratio or 1:3 risk to reward ratio. If you don't see an opportunity that is up to 1:2 or 1:3, then you don't trade. As simple as that. Let the odds be in your favor. Okay, so you simply work on your risk to reward ratio. So this is the best. Let me tell you, see, this is the only industry where you can turn $100 to $1,000, and you just keep doing that again and again, giving the right knowledge, patience, risk management, trade management, and you are good to go. Just invest in getting the right knowledge and never ever give up. Okay, so basically that's what I have for you this morning. If you got any value from this video, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.